If you want to make a 3D prototype with Figma quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple 3D style object inside Figma using plugins and how to adjust the look so it feels more polished and professional. This is a great trick for UI designers, product mockups, presentations, and anyone who wants to add depth and visual impact to their designs. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You can start with any frame size you want, depending on your project. Once your canvas is ready, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where you'll find extra tools, plugins, and widgets that can expand what Figma can do. After that, click Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type 3D Generator and run the plugin. This plugin will help you create a 3D looking object without needing complicated 3D software. Now you'll see a range of options. Select the shape you want to build first. It could be a cube, cylinder, sphere, or another basic form depending on what kind of prototype you want. Next, choose the shape style. This helps define the overall appearance of the object, whether you want it to look clean, bold, soft, or more realistic. Then, pick the color you want for your 3D model. Choosing the right color is important because it affects the final look and how well the object fits with the rest of your design. After that, adjust the perspective. The perspective controls how the 3D object is viewed, so you can make it look more angled, more front-facing, or more dramatic depending on your design. Then, choose the light source. This is what creates the shadows and highlights that give your object depth and dimension. When you're happy with all of those settings, click Create Shape. Figma will now generate the 3D object for you, and you should see it appear inside your frame. At this point, you can move it around, resize it, and place it wherever you want in your layout. If you want to add even more functionality or create a different visual effect, go back to the Actions icon again, then choose Plugins once more. This time, search for Isometric and run it. The Isometric tool is useful when you want to change the angle or style of your 3D model and give it a more layered, technical, or modern look. After the plugin opens, use the buttons below the perspective settings to adjust the angle and orientation accordingly. Try different options until the object matches the style you're aiming for. This is the part where you can really fine-tune the result and make your prototype stand out. You can experiment with different shapes, colors, perspectives, and lighting until everything looks just right. That's the beauty of using Figma plugins for 3D style designs. It's fast, flexible, and beginner friendly. So now you know how to make a 3D prototype with Figma step by step. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next design tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.